In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import font in Klaviyo. In order to do this, first head over to klaviyo.com and sign up for an account by adding right here your email address and clicking onto this sign up. You can just follow the on-screen instructions in order to successfully onboard in Klaviyo. Now, if you already have an account or you have successfully onboarded already, proceed to click on this login option that we can see right here. Since I already have an account, let me head over and log in. Now here is my Klaviyo dashboard. So what we can do is we just need to head over right here into this part. Now you just need to go over to the select brands and images that's available. You can head over right here to the content and expand that and click on this images and brand. Now once we have done that, this will actually open the brand library of Klaviyo. So in this, we just need to head over and choose in here the actual options that we need. So let's click on this, I'll add it myself. And choose in here the fonts and click on this add font. Now in here you can choose in here website font, Google font, Adobe fonts, or custom font. So you just choose in here which kind of font you would want. So on my case, let me head over and then choose right here the custom font. Just input right here the name of your font. So for example, let's head over first to the font.com and look for the font that we want. Let's choose in here this super kindly. Click on this right here and here it is. So let's get its URL. You can do so by going over right here to the URL and then copying it using the Ctrl C on your keyboard. Head back right here and then input right here the actual URL. Naming here the font. Let's name this super kindly. You can add a font variant as well as fallback font. And after that, head over and click on save right here. Make sure as well that your font ends with these options right here and you can select a font weight that you wish to actually have right there. So if you want it on your default, you just need to head over and then get it right here by downloading it right there. Just head over and download, then get it and upload it right here and save it right there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.